What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the Mini again. I got a couple of goodies for it, so let me show you what I got here. So ordered this off of ECS Tuning. So I ordered new taillights. This was like a whole bundle kit. So it came with these nice like LED style dark housing cherry headlights. It's like a JCW style. They are OEM. Also comes with the black trim, bottom, reverse lights, rear fog, and I can find it in here. Also came with side reflectors. So currently on the car, as you can see, I just have the regular OEM taillights that are just redded out, that I use some VHT red nightshades for that. So gonna be swapping out for these taillights, which I really think will look a lot better, make the rear end look a lot nicer. And new black trim will look nice because these are a little chipped up. And yeah, so I'm gonna go over the install, how to do it, and it should be pretty easy and pretty quick. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Guys, first step that you have to do is remove this trim. Just use like a little pry tool, even like a flathead. Just be super careful not to like scratch up the sides here. As you can see, this one isn't like 100% perfect. I don't know if it'll catch like little dings and defects on it, but this one's been on the car for like a year and a half. So once you remove this trim, it's gonna leave you with 1, 2, and 3. These are all 20 T20 Torx bits, so you literally just got to undo them each, and it's as simple as that to pull off these mini tail lights. So got one, got the second one here, two, and 3. So it's just 3, like I said, they're T20s, so just gotta pull these guys off after removing the trim around the tail light. Once again, you could use like a little pry tool, or just be really careful with the flathead just to make sure you don't scratch up your paint. And that's out. So that's all 3. Now the tail light, you might need, since it has like a little gasket on the back of it, you might need like a flathead to prime out, but as you can see, you could kind of just pull it out by hand. There you go. So got the tail light out, loose, good to be removed from the car. Now I'm gonna come around the inside here, and you're gonna disconnect it from the harness on the inside of the car. Harness is a little tricky to get to. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. All right, I'll be right back with you guys. So here, we got the first light off. Now, once again, I told you that I redded these out with some VHT nightshades. So these are still the OEM taillight. These OEM ones, they obviously don't come out like this. They'll have like a chrome center here. I just like the black center better. So, first one's out. The nice thing about these tails is that it comes already with the new gasket here to meet up with the body of the car, and it comes full with bulbs. So wire harness is here. You should literally just have to reconnect it to the light, bolt everything back in, put the tail trim around, and you're done. So let me show you guys that. Harness, we have the light here. Harness is in. Light's gonna go right back into place like so. Line up the bolts. And that's pretty much the look it's gonna have. So let me bolt everything back together. I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, the first side is done. So got the tail light in, got the new trim around, looks really nice. So this is the new light, as you can see. And then this is the old setup I had. So remember, you just gotta pull off this trim right here, and there's literally 3 T20 bolts around the tail light, and it'll pop right out. Just gotta disconnect it from the harness. So that's new, that's old. I think it looks 100 times better. Let me just actually make sure that these work. Just put the key in here. So turn the lights on. Yeah, they're on. It might be kind of hard to pick up on the camera, but the lights are on. And signal. Yep. As you can see, works perfectly. So side number one's done. I'm not going to show you the second side because it's going to be the same procedure as the first side, but I'll put them in, then I'll show you like a back view of the car, and then we'll start on the bottom and these side markers. Alright guys, so this is the final look of both lights. I think it looks 100 times better than what the OEM one sprayed red was. So each side looks nice and mint with the black trim. So now we're going to move on to these bottom lights, and then after the bottom lights we're going to be working on these guys right here. So let's get into that part. So guys, for these rear fog and reverse lights, it's pretty simple. You can literally put your hand under and you will feel 4 clips, 2 top, 2 bottom, that'll pop this out of place, and then you just gotta disconnect the harness. You know, it's not really brain surgery to do it. So once again, you just got 1, 2, 3, 4 clips here that you just push, and this will come out, and then you can slide the new one in, and that's pretty much it. So it's gonna be kind of hard to film under the car, but you could feel when they release. It's literally like 4 push tabs, and yeah, so it's gonna be hard to do with one hand, so I'll pull one out, show you guys what I'm talking about, and then we'll install the new one. Guys, so as you can see, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 little clips here, and then on the inside, let me bring this up a little bit. Maybe you can see it. You'll see 1, 2, and then up here, up at the top, there's gonna be 2 more. You literally just press these in up like this, and it'll release it, and then you just gotta disconnect it from the harness here, and then the new ones are gonna slip through the back. So let me show you that. So just take the new one, put it back here, and it should just snap right into place, literally. That's simple. Now all 4 in place, like so. Take the harness in the back and just reconnect. Okay, there we go. And first side is done. Literally that simple. So you got the 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a push tab, you push it in, push it back, disconnect the harness, and then you put the new one in through the back side. And that is pretty much it. So I'll do the same thing for the other side, and then we'll move on to these side markers. Guys, so the back is finished now. So got the taillights in, the reverse with the rear fog light, that is in now. And at the other side, taillight with the reverse and the rear fog. So let me take a shot from farther back, but that is what it's looking like so far. So I think it looks super good, definitely better than what I had before. It's a super clean look and definitely changes the rear characteristic of the car. So now finally we're going to move on to replacing these, because this kit also came with a smoked out side marker, so we're going to get into replacing these now. Guys, so when removing this, you know, don't be the person that tries to like pry a flathead into here or try to move this by itself, because you're going to break this. I mean, if you don't care, go for it, but to remove this, the easiest way would be taking this whole unit out, and taking this whole unit out literally takes 10 seconds. You just need to push this whole unit forward towards the front of the car, and it'll pop out of place. So look, if you just push, that's it, literally, and then comes right out, disconnect it, and then you can disconnect this little housing here for the side marker for your car instead of, you know, breaking it. So I'm gonna try and release this with one hand and not try and mess anything up, but there. Now you got this piece all out, like so. And now you are just left to remove the back piece. So now there's just like a little push clip right here, and should just pop. Oh, fall over. It's a little windy outside. I'm sorry about that. But there's a little metal tab here. You literally push it out. That simple. And now you can install a new one, which I got smoked ones. As you can see the difference, old, new. And then, is this the right side? Should say on the back here. So. Now you're gonna come in, same way, push this in, like so. Might be a little tough. Don't worry, you'll get it. Okay, that's in place. And like so. So now the new one is in. So you can tell the difference. This is definitely darker. So now, take it back to the car. This literally should take you 1 minute. Connect it back in to the harness like so. It's already in. Now you'll see the, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 clips. Get everything back into place like so and just go the opposite way. Now that is in. And now that is the new side marker. It is that simple. It should take you literally 2 minutes. So don't try and pry it with a flathead. You're going to break it. You just got to push this with a little force forward and it'll pop right out. Disconnect the connector to the side marker and it'll pop right out. That is that simple. Alright guys, so this is the finished product right here, okay? So this is the rear of the car, as you can see. So the taillights are in now. So got the taillights. They look really good in my opinion. The rear fog with the reverse light, that's the right side. Here's the left side, driver's side. And finally, we've got the smoked side marker, driver, and passenger side all done. So I'll go over pricing and where I got it from and all that. But this is the finished product of the car, and I think it looks fantastic. Alright guys, so the install is done. Honestly, to install all these lights, it really shouldn't take you more than like 20 minutes as long as you have the right tools. You just need, honestly, for the reverse light with the rear fog and the side markers, you just got to use your hand. You don't even need any tools for that. And the tail lights, you literally just need maybe a flathead just to be careful, or just like a little pry tool so you can pop off the trim, and then you just need a T20 Torx bit to take the taillights out, and that's literally it. These installs should not take you more than like 20 minutes, and it completely changes the character and the look of the car. So I got it from ECS Tuning. I actually only pay like $184 shipped. They are on sale at the moment. I'll put the link in the description. I don't know how much longer the sale's gonna last. I don't know if they're gonna sell out, but these are genuine OEM original parts from Mini, and they're around $700 brand new for everything. And it comes with trim, it comes with all that. So it is a steal at the moment. If you could get your hands on this set, I would do it, because I don't know how much longer it's going to be for it. So I only paid 180 bucks for this whole set, which I think is fantastic. Everything works. It's OEM. Everything connects in. It's not going to throw any codes for you, so it's definitely worth it. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. These installs are super, super simple. It should take you, like I said, no more than 20 minutes with very basic tools. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's more videos coming. I'm having other goodies come for the car. Some at the end of this week and next week, in preparations for H2O, trying to just do the overhaul of the car. So, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys, and have a good day.